The Brio Apartments. Ooh. There we are. Bam. Okay, we're back at the room. Just got cleaned up for us, the weekly cleaning. One side. There's your room. So, got a little closet area. Just put some luggage and miscellaneous stuff in here. Hang some stuff up. Oh, I got another little closet area here. And some drawers for socks and all of that kind of stuff. A couple little nightstands. Nice bed. So this is just a studio. It's our bed. We got another chair, fan, and a nice solid little table. Very important. Eat on for breakfast and a computer table, computer work. Got a big old TV right there. The room includes internet, Wi-Fi, and all that. And we got a great AC right up there. Nice. And then our bathroom, just standard bathroom. Got a shower inside in the corner. Nice sink. And then our shower. And we got a toilet here. And here's the super cool part. We got a washer dryer combo. Very important. And then we go over here. And we've got our little kitchen area. Got about a medium-sized refrigerator with a freezer. All the cabinets. It comes with pots, pans, dishes, microwave, all that kind of stuff. And it's nighttime now, but open it up and see the balcony. Just got a little balcony. And there's a nice little coffee shop right across the corner. There's another one over there beyond it. And then there's a couple 24-hour convenience stores about 1 block away. There we go. And one more view this way of the room. And that's about it.